cilantro avocado dressing. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The process is really quite simple. You just throw all of the ingredients in your food processor or your blender. I prefer to start with the cilantro and the garlic. You can use 1 clove for a little garlic or 2 if you like a more pungent taste. Give everything a good buzz to chop the garlic and the cilantro before adding the rest of the ingredients. If you have good faith in your food processor, you can add all of it together, but I usually give the cilantro and garlic a good chop first. Next, I add the avocado. If you want to make this as a dip, you can double the avocado and cut back on the juice and the water, or you can make it as a sauce or a dressing as I do here. So add your peeled and pitted avocado along with the spices. Here I'm using cumin and coriander, a touch of honey, and the juice of half an orange and 1 lime. Give everything a good buzz. And then season to taste with salt and red pepper flakes. And this is also when you would add any additional juice or water to thin the sauce or the dressing to the desired consistency. If you're thinning it with water, I recommend adding just a couple of tablespoons at first and then gradually increasing until you have it the thinness that you like. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.